you hear me? Hello? Here, I'm gonna take pictures of this Jaguar and see how it works. I'm doing a bunch of body work to it, and I've already replaced this rocker right here, the whole thing, cut it out. I got the hood just pulled about halfway off of it so I could work in here, along here. Here's Lucy. What you doing, Lucy? Yeah, that's my dog. That's my dog there, he's my helper. Yeah, chew up everything, don't you? Yeah, that's Lucy. What? Say hi. Yeah, you want to lick the camera? No, I don't think so. You stupid dog. Alright. Let me give you an idea of what kind of crap this thing is, how bad it is. The body putty on this car, it's real thick. You can see it's all cracked up through here. Had to take a torch and heat it up. I think I've got most of the loose stuff off of it. Yeah, that won't come off. You can probably get an idea how thick it is. See, it's real thick. All this, everything's got to come off this car. It's all cracked up. I got to take it all off. I'm gonna have to take a torch and heat it up, get it off. Got to replace the trunk. See, it's got holes. There's all full of rust over in there. And over in there, all this is rusted out. This is the panel I got to put in. That means I got to cut. I got to take this and cut it completely off. And that's where that goes. And there's the new trunk pan, which is going to go in here when I get through. So right now, I'm going to take the car and sit it down on this side and then jack this side up, just like I did that, so I can replace this quarter through here. I got a new quarter on this side put in, so I got to cut this out. And then there's a patch panel that goes right here to replace all this. He don't want me making anything for this car, so he bought brand new panels. And I've already got the floor put in. The entire floor here is new on both sides. All this, I had to cut all this out. I mean, this thing was terrible, it rusted. The entire bottom of the car was rusted out. Even pulling the steering wheel off, the steering wheel came apart because it's supposed to be riveted onto this, and even the rivets fell off of it. So, but this is old. This can be pretty neat when I get through with it. There's some more boat parts. Been 18 years working on this boat. This is just about the last of it. These are the doors on it. See, there's the Pooh Bear. That was the original name of the boat. And I've rebuilt these from the inside without disturbing any of the glass on it here. I didn't want to break that up. So I just gutted it, took out all the old wood and cleaned it, and then put new wood in it. And once this glue sets up, but it's too cold right now, and the glue won't set up. Here's the glue I used, it's still soft. That's supposed to be hard. So this car's gonna need a lot of work. All All this in here is all beat up. Both sides is rusty. Luckily it's not dented up real bad. So all I gotta do is strip it, and put it in primer, and then give it back to him. Well, see if this works. We'll try it. All right. I'm still learning how to work this camera. Let me turn it off and play with it a little bit and see what happens.